What is up, everybody? Hope your week has gone well. I wanted to take a few minutes, do a little weekly recap of the trades I took this week and show you how I use my 62 tap strategy combined with the ATH indicator to find some trade setups this week. I trade primarily the Forex asset class, but this strategy, this indicator works in every single asset class, as you will see later in this video. Here we go, the 62 tap live in action. I guess not live, it was live earlier when I took the trades. As you can see across the screen here, I have a couple different setups. I want to run you through of trades that I took. Some won, some lost. That's how trading goes. You don't win them all. But this is just a recap of some trades as I stated earlier, okay? Let's hop right into it and let me do a little teaching on what I'm looking for, okay? This is my trade plan right here. It's pretty solid. I like it so far. Okay, BOS. What is a BOS? Break of structure. Basically what I'm looking for is a candle to close above another candle. So here's a candle. We'll pretend. Here's another candle. Oh. Bang. A little close together. 1 second. There we go. So this right here, this candle, this closed above this, right? So that is a break of structure. Bang, broke it. Simply put, just like that, okay? So we see that right here, break of structure. Next, I'm looking for a banker candle or an order block that is highlighted in blue. It's the area basically where the break of structure originated from. So you see right here, this is an area that pushed up, closed above that, and got me a break of structure, okay? Next, I'm looking for a 62 touch. So once it breaks structure, I'm looking for a retrace to this blue line. That is our 62. Next, I'm looking for an ATH candle in my direction. An ATH is our special indicator, these little triangles that you see. It's really powerful when you use it properly. You don't just want to take every single one that you see, obviously, because you will get beat up, basically. It's a confirmation tool that we like to use. And then a little bonus that I like to see is a rejection wick. Don't have to have it. It's just a nice sign that price wants to go in your direction when it does happen. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through here now that we understand how this works. Also, I forgot to say this, all my time frames, I like to have them line up. It's not always accurate when I go back and do these videos because it's after the fact. So take that with a grain of salt. At the time, all of these were green. Okay, so let's walk through this right here. This area pushed up, broke that structure, retraced to my 62, got my arrow, got in, bang, winning trade. Okay? Next one, same pair later on. Break a structure, area pushed up, broke a structure. See that? Closed above that high, break a structure, retraced to this blue line, got my arrow, got in, and loss. That's all right. On to the next one. Okay, here we go. My area, a break a structure right here. This closed beneath this, retraced to my blue line, got my arrow right there, my ATH, hopped right in it and got in, kind of went up, got me some negative money, but I didn't lose money because my stop loss was up higher, and then it dropped like a rock to my take profit. This is all Forex so far. This is another trade you could have taken if you trade this strategy. The area right here pushed down, closed beneath these lows, pushed down, made a new low, retraced to my blue line, my 62, gave me an arrow right here in ATH. I got in, and then price just kind of went sideways, consolidation, not great. Came down to 1-to-1. I decided to adjust my stop loss to reduce risk after all the consolidation that I saw, and I'm glad I did because it ended up shooting up, and I would have lost all that I risked. Instead, I just lost about half, roughly, as you can tell. Next trade, here we go, same thing. Oh, that one all lined up, looky there. Let me hide that. That all lined up, okay? Or I want to go back to tell it, of course it lined up at the time. Here we go, blue box shows the new high being made, or the break of structure, came down beautifully to the 62. I got in, I was real excited about this one, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because look, just took off and then took back down. So what I like to do a lot of the time is once price gets like halfway to my take profit, I go in and I reduce my risk by moving my stop loss up a little higher. A lot of the times I'll put it right at break even, or I'll reduce it to half risk. It just depends on what I'm seeing in the charts that day. So that one ended up being a break even trade. Didn't gain anything, didn't lose anything. This next one here, we have our area pushed, made a new low, broke the structure, came up beautifully to this 62, gave it a little tap, gave me my arrow, dropped like a rock. This is the picture perfect trade that I love taking right here. This is why I love the 62. Okay, another one. I actually stacked both of these. I don't know if you can see that. So as soon as I got out of this one, I got into the next one. Gave me another entry. I took it. This one's a little more, not professional, but you need some experience, some time to see this. I've been trading this for several months now. And now that I'm more proficient at it, I felt comfortable swinging at this. This little red candle right here, well, this area pushed, broke this tiny structure right here. This was a pretty aggressive trade, right? I'm willing to acknowledge that. I accepted my risk before I went into it. I figured I'd swing and see what happens. I was feeling confident after winning that trade, which you're not supposed to trade off emotions. But strike when the iron's hot. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out in the long run. So here we go. Same thing as always, right? These all went down. I got my tiny break of structure. This closed beneath it, came back up. I had a nice rejection wick, which is this wick. So let me go back to TradingView real quick. I just want to show you. This is the body of a candle. This is the wick, right? That's the wicks, right? So my rejection wick is I like to see like a big wick like that, and then price go back down in my direction that I want it to go. I got something similar to that right there. That was an extra little confirmation that I really liked. So I got in there. As you can see, it's a bonus for me if I have that. Got in right here, put my stop loss above the high roughly, and bang. As you can see, that ended up winning, got out. Next, let's hop into trades that I didn't take because I mainly trade the Forex market, but this strategy and the indicator works in all asset classes. This is the Tesla stock. I've never personally traded stocks. I've only stuck to Forex and a little bit of crypto, some metal, a little bit of indice, US 30 type stuff. Let's look, and I'll show you exactly what we saw here. It's the same exact thing, just on the stock market instead of the Forex market. This area right here, pushed down, made a new low, right? This was the current low. So that's our break of structure. Bang, made a new low, came back up, touched the 62, this blue line right here, gave me our red entry candle with the ATH indicator. Bang, we're in it. And as you can see, it dropped so fast, it doesn't even show it how fast it dropped. Bang. All right, there's a nice little stock win. This is a Bitcoin win. Bitcoin, hot topic right now. Crypto is a hot topic in general. Let's see how you can make some money in crypto other than just buying and holding and hoping it goes up. All right. This area pushed, made a new low. Came back up beautifully. Tapped my blue line right here. I got my red indicator. Hopped right in. Let me delete that. And bang, winning trade. There you go. Next, metals. A lot of people like to trade gold, silver, stuff like that. This is silver, XAG USD. And let me highlight the area that I saw. Again, I did not take this trade. This is just me demonstrating that the setup works in every asset class, okay? Here we go. This area pushed down. Oh, I guess it broke that structure right there. There we go. Broke this structure. Came back up beautifully, gave me a lot of those rejection wicks. Remember those that we talked about? Where'd that go? Right there. Gave me that look. Right there. Bang. Rejection wicks galore. Got your indicator. You hop right in. Bang. This all lines up. It's another one. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. Shoot me a message. I love teaching, training, answering questions from beginner to advanced on how to trade my 62 tap strategy with the ATH indicator. Hope you enjoyed and have a great weekend.